contraindication to beta blocker. But if someone is having airway disease, then what's the option?
If it is active airway disease, then
Let's say a patient. No, if it's active airway disease, even cardioselective can't be given. If your patient is having right now bronchospasm, you can't give cardioselective even. You have to then again look into the LV function.
Yes, sir.
LV function normal or
Abnormal.
abnormal. If you have a normal LV function, then you have liberty of non-dihydropyridine, calcium channel blocker, rate limiting,
Yes, sir.
deltasem or verapamil.
Right.
But if your patient is of LV dysfunction, then
we can't give that.
then what you'll give? Ivabradine. Then you can give ivabradine for rate controlling. For pressure again, ACE-ARBs, nitrates. How to give nitrates? Sublingual, IV, when, which
Sir,
patient?
initially we will give sublingual. If pain is relieved, then okay. And if not relieved, then after 5 minutes we will repeat 3 times.
Yeah,
And
actually what you will do, you give for the first time 3 dosages 5 minutes apart.
Right.
That's the way of giving nitrates.
Yes, sir.
ये पुराना हो गया, 1-2 फिर इंतजार करो फिर no.
Yes, sir.
Continuous 3
5 minutes.
dosages 5 minutes apart.
Yes, sir.
And if your patient, after receiving these 3 sublingual nitrates which are 5 minutes apart,
Right.
that means at least you have covered 15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
If he is still having ongoing pain,
now choose
IV nitrates.
IV nitrate. If he is having features of heart failures with adequate pressures available, then nitrates. Or very high blood pressure. These are the 3 things. If they are there, then you need IV nitrate after sublingual nitrate.
Right.
So this is all. And what important thing about nitrate before giving nitrate? Always ask your patient.
Sildenafil.
and 48 hours for total.
Yeah.
Total effect.
So always ask your patient, because a number of times these young or middle-aged males, they are taking these drugs off the counter. They are not actually knowing what they are taking. Usually medical stores से ये मिल जाती हैं चीज़ें. So always ask specifically, are you taking any medication for sexual dysfunction or not? Because if God forbid you have given nitrate with a background of serious hypotension, vasodilatation, and patient can develop collapse or severe. Now today we are going to discuss management.
Yes, sir.
Right now we just discussed medical treatment in ER. Now we are discussing approaches. How you are going to approach your patients. Future planning mean by short and long term plans. Regarding statin